So on Saturday, June 13th, from 11 till 3, we have the Chief Gord Earl Leadership Legacy Scholarships and our open house all at the same time. It'll take place right across the street from the station in the open parking lot. There will be a community charity barbecue there. And as part of the Chief Gord Earl Leadership Legacy Scholarships, since 2008, 275 grade 6 students from Arc City have gotten Leadership Legacy Scholarships as part of this. And we're going to add another 22 to the list this year. So we're going to be just under 300 after next Saturday. So that's very exciting. And we also have our open house. So outside the building, there's going to be a bunch of displays about Medicine Police Service and what we do and some of our specialized units. There'll also be 2 building tours at 11 a.m., and 2 p.m. And we'll host the building tours as well, so people can get a look at our operations and what's happening. So we do this annually, and very excited to do this next weekend. And it's so exciting for the young people, the 22 that are receiving scholarships. It's awesome.